Hello, what are you doing in there? Come on, we're going on a wild camping adventure, maybe a bit of kayaking, check out a tiny little island that I found on Google. Come on, don't be lazy, get out, come on. So in today's adventure, I'm going to take this kayak, and I found this little island on the other side of Brownsea. I found it from Google satellite. It's a tiny little island, and I was going to wild camp there for the night, but now I'm here. It's feeling like it's not the best idea in the world, so I'm going to just take it slow because I've got a bit of anxiety about it. This is one of those adventures that I have not planned. I just had a look and I felt like getting out. Summer's just disappearing, so you know, I'll document the whole thing as always, but I'm having a little anxiety about the whole thing. But you know, if we were afraid all the time, we'd never do anything. So, but there's a fine line between being like brave and stupid, so we'll just see how it goes. All right, so I just thought I'd take a minute because if you can see behind me, that's why I came from that beach over there. I'm way over halfway, but when I got about halfway, the waves were way bigger than I wanted them to be, and I ended up having to like face the kayak into the waves, you know, so it ran over the top of them and directly into the wind as well. But we're coming to the first island, so we go round here, I'll show you, round this little bit in front of me, round the corner, past Brownsea, past the other two islands, Brownsea Island and Green Island, and then my little island should be somewhere there. But yeah, you know, I wanted an adventure, and I'm certainly getting one because yeah. Right. So that's Brownsea Island, and this is all Brownsea Island. I don't know how long it's taken me to get out here, but it feels like a little while. Just a little update. So I made it across the fucking torrent, which was over there past Green Island. The waves were massive, the wind was crazy, I've got salty lips, and if I stopped rowing for 2 seconds I went backwards 10 feet. Oh my god, it feels like my whole life, like rowing against the wind and the tide. But I've had a look on Google Maps, and I'm getting there. I am getting there, so I'm just having a quick break. There's a campsite right in front of me, just in case things go tits up. But I'm planning to wild camp tonight, so but I'll keep posted. But apart from getting across there, it's been really nice, you know. It's been a struggle as hell, but it's just so nice. Right over in the distance, that's Paul Key to your right and Hamworthy over to your left. Some other ones, Long Island I think is over there. But all in all, it's been good. It's been an adventure, but Jesus, I should research these things first because the headwind was absolutely insane. Right, I'm going to crack on. I'll send another video when I get to the island. So, after getting stuck on some seaweed because I went too shallow and got completely stuck for a while, I've actually found my island. But let me show you it. it's absolutely tiny, and like I'm paranoid to shit the fucking tide's just going to come in and I'm just going to get swept out to sea in the middle of the night in my tent. I don't think I can camp here. I really don't. And I need to think about it because the goddamn sun's starting to set as well. It took me like 3 hours to get here as well, which is just shit. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'm still mulling it over, to be honest with you. There's like a bigger bit of land over there, but I'm like right in front of someone's house. I mean, the wind's picking up like crazy now as well. You know, it's meant to rain tonight, and this little island, this beach, it looks like the tide comes right in here at times. Like, I think I fucked up here. Trying to camp here is stupid. But I made it. I found it on Google. Found it on Google fucking Maps and made it here. Luckily, if I did decide to just sack it and go home, the wind's going to be behind me the whole way, which means I should like absolutely fly back. I don't really want to do that though. I've got all my stuff, do you know what I mean? So, but I don't know. I gotta make a smart decision really and see what's what. But as for camping, hello. So quick update. So I just had a look at the map, and I've ended up on Brownsea Island. I don't really want to wild camp on Brownsea Island. I think they have like freaking, whatchamacallit, like marshals or some shit. I mean, I'm sure I could deflate the canoe, a kayak, and just fucking go somewhere. There's a couple of islands over here, but Brownsea Island is an absolute no-go. I think they've got a power station over there, and people over there. I mean, I've got an hour before I really have to panic. I am hungry, but I think maybe I'm going to try and kayak back over to the other beach. We'll see how it goes, but I'm definitely, you know, I'd like to stay here, but it's dodgy. People are here on Brownsea, so, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Good enough, I think. Let's be sorted for the night, because it looks like it's going to bloody rain over there. There's massive rain clouds coming, so I had to get the tent up quick, but I'm happy with it. I'm sure I'll get a good night's sleep in here. Got my tea, got my grub. Nice view to go with it. Hello. So just a little recap on the day. It's been a good day. Granted, I went out to my island that turned out to just be a sandbank, and there was no way I was wild camping on a sandbank in the middle of the sea, because that's just stupid. So I've settled here, and yeah, I'm just hoping I don't get washed away, because I've like put the tent in a bit of a dip, because it was sheltered from the wind out of this dip. So I stuck it there, but I don't think there's a lot of rain. I think it's just a bit, but you know, it should be fine. I'm not worried. I'm not too worried. So I'm going to turn in for the night. But yeah, you know, this is only my third time like proper wild camping. Yeah, you know, I love it. So as long as I don't get washed away, I'm sure I'll have a good night's sleep. So it's all good. Okay, see you in the morning. Good morning. Hello. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you. I had the most amazing time, and I was sitting this morning doing my morning meditation, and the sun was just rising, and I was thinking, you know, recovery, it could be really hard sometimes, you know, really hard, but when you replace it and you add things to your life that are of value, you know, the relapse, it doesn't seem worthwhile. You know, I've got so much good stuff in my life, and I really appreciate it, really grateful. And you know, I thought to myself, that's, you know, that's a good way of not going backwards, is fill your life full of things that you're afraid to lose. And recovery is amazing. You know, I'm living the best life I possibly can. But yeah, thank you for watching. It was definitely an experience, and yeah, catch me next time for my next adventure.